In this video, I'm going to break down how I quit my 9-to-5 job and built a 6-figure business in just 90 days. But I'm not just going to tell you what I did. I'm going to show you the exact 5-step Skill2Profit framework that I personally used to do it. This is the same process I use to teach my students, and it's designed to take you from just having a skill to a profitable online business. If you've ever wondered how do I possibly monetize my skills, then this video is for you. Here's a quick preview of the 5 steps. Choose a skill, generate leads, close sales, deliver results, and last but the most enjoyable is scaling your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply this framework to your own skills. So grab a notepad and let's just dive right into it. Step 1 is the skill selection. Back in 2022, I was working as a telecommunications engineer in Ireland. It wasn't a bad job, but it wasn't my dream job. I'd leave the house at 6 AM, spend my days driving around, working in freezing weather, and come home exhausted. I was still living with my mom, barely able to save money, and it felt like I was going nowhere. I realized that if I wanted to escape my 9-to-5, I needed to master one skill. Not 10 skills, not 5, literally just one. This first step of the Skill2Profit framework is simple. Choose one in-demand skill. I didn't overthink it. I asked myself simply, what's a skill that I can learn easily within the next 30 days and sell it? For me, that was landing pages. It's a one-page website that converts traffic into sales and leads. There's no need to learn web development or coding or any of that. You can simply do no-code tools like Card or Framer. Step 2 is lead generation. Once I had my skill, I had to get leads, aka people who actually wanted to pay me. Here's the mistake that most people make. They wait for leads to come to them. But in this step of the Skill2Profit framework, you have to go get them. This is where I discovered the power of social media. I doubled down on Twitter as my main platform and started documenting my journey. I posted everything, even the ugly landing pages I made when I was still learning. It didn't matter, I shared it anyway. I tweet about my mistakes, wins and lessons learned, and something crazy happened. People started following me. My following grew from 0 to 1,000 followers within my first 2 weeks of posting my progress. And here's the thing about social media. People don't follow experts. They follow the journey. When they see you learning in public, they trust you. And that trust is what turns strangers into leads. The first time I saw a DM asking for help with the landing page, I knew I cracked the code. I didn't need to chase the leads, they came to me. So to generate leads, you need to double down on social media. Step 3 is closing sales. So, you've got leads, but now you have to turn them into paying clients. This is where a lot of people really do get stuck. They feel awkward selling themselves, and it is natural, but it's really not that hard. I'll show you exactly how I did it. My first sale came from a simple DM. Someone saw my tweet and asked, can you help me with a landing page? I didn't overcomplicate it. I just asked questions to understand what they needed, and I offered a solution. That first client paid me $50. This was such a game-changing moment for me. It really changed my life. That first sale proved that the process works. From there, I just repeated the process, and it got easier every single time. Step 4 is delivering results. Once you get paid, it's time to deliver those results. This part is simple. You just need to do what you promised. For me, it was landing pages. But here's where I took it a step further. I showed the results on social media. I'd tweet something like, just wrapped up a landing page for a client. Here's what it looks like. And I'd tag them if possible, or else show a little preview of the work. This created a little buzz and actually brought in even more inbound leads. I was showcasing that I can do what I'm talking about. Step 5 is scaling the business. Once you have a few clients under your belt, it's time to scale. Most people burn out doing all the work themselves, but I realized I could do something different. I started creating content that taught others what I was doing. That content brought in more followers, more DMs, and more business. I wasn't just selling landing pages anymore, I was selling my knowledge. Eventually I launched my first coaching offer. People were already asking me, how did you do it? So I created my first program, which later became Skill2Profit. Now I help other people monetize their skills just like I did. I'll pop up some results on the screen so you can see how people have been doing inside my program. So that's the Skill2Profit framework. To recap once again, number 1, choose a skill. 2, generate leads. Remember to double down on social media. 3 is closing those sales. 4 is delivering results and showcasing those wins. And 5 is scaling your business. If you want to apply this to your own skills and work with me directly, click the link in the description below to book a call. I'll help you apply this exact process to your own skills. Don't wait. You are this close to quitting your 9 to 5. I'll see you on that call. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Any questions you have, ask them in the comments and like the video. Take care. Mike. Peace.